In the currency quadrant today, the British pound was down 0.25%. British pound erased the week's gain and completes its third consecutive week lower. It was a pretty strong week up until Thursday. We had 3 consecutive days higher for the pound, and then Thursday and Friday, as I mentioned, erased the entire week's gains. This week ended up negative, not by much. 130.81 is about where we're at on the settle, the futures contract. Again, that isn't much of a negative week, but a negative week nonetheless. Brexit delay was the main issue. Theresa May went this morning to the EU to request more time. She asked for a deadline of June 30th, which is unusual because that's the deadline that the EU originally rejected when they gave them the April 12th deadline. Now, if they don't accept this particular extension, we're looking at a hard deal, no Brexit on the way out, which would take effect April 12th. The reason the UK doesn't want to extend it past June 30th is there are EU parliamentary elections. So the EU has an ad hoc meeting this coming Wednesday to decide whether they're going to give Theresa May and the UK this particular extension, or whether they're going to try and force them to participate in those EU parliamentary elections going forward and extending that sort of grace period for a new Brexit deal a little bit longer than June 30th, which is what May is asking for. We also had dollar strength. Dollar strength obviously helps to push all the major currencies lower. The dollar got back about close to 97.50, 97.46 on the dollar index today. And again, the dollar reversed its weekly losses to end with a third consecutive week higher. Started out the day Monday higher with the dollar index, Tuesday a little lower, Wednesday a big down day, and then Thursday reversed most of Wednesday, and then today made it a positive week on the dollar, which will always, again, as I mentioned, hit those other currencies like it did the pound today.